Welcome, my name is Nicholas from the channel Office Superheroes. In this quick and easy video tutorial, we'll show you how to calculate a ranking in Excel. Thanks to this we will be able to compare different data and easily determine their position within a data table. So let's not waste any more time and let's demonstrate it together. In order to sort the data, we first need to click on the cell in which we want the result to be displayed. Now we need to type an equal sign in the cell. This is a kind of sign for Excel that we're going to insert the formula. We'll type in the word rank. Excel will immediately suggest functions to us. We click on the suggested function rank. Now we need to enter the data into the formula by which Excel will calculate the rank. First, we enter the number for which we want to calculate the rank. We will mark cell C3. Add a colon with a comma. We mark all the cells we want to compare and determine Abby's position in the ranking. We must remember to lock the link to this data set. We click on C3 and press the Fn and F4 keys. A $sign appears next to the cell reference, which means that the value to calculate the ranking will remain the same when we copy the function to the next rows. We will use the same procedure to reference cell C7 to make sure that the region reference remains unchanged. So if we copy the formula to the remaining rows, the reference to the corresponding cell will not change. This is very important because we need to find out the order of each of the vendors, so we need to keep all the data in the calculation the same. If you would like to learn how to use an absolute cell reference in Excel, check out our next video where we cover this feature. The link to the video can be found in the video description. But let's continue. Add a colon with a comma. Now we need to determine whether we want the order to be descending or ascending. If we were to choose descending order, the highest number would be marked below the number 1, and the lowest number will be marked under the last number. This option is set as the default. This means that if we had already closed the bracket, Excel will calculate the descending order for us. If we chose ascending order, in that case the lowest number will be marked below the 1, and the highest number will be displayed below the last number. We will now choose the descending order. So we'll click on the descending option. We'll close the parenthesis and press the enter key. Well done. Now we can see Abba's ranking in sales compared to the rest of the vendors. If we want to copy the formula to the remaining rows, we click on the cell in which we have already entered the formula. We drag its lower right corner to all cells. Excel immediately calculated and displayed the order of employees for us. The salesperson who has the highest number of sales is first in the ranking. Last in the ranking is the salesperson who had the lowest number of sales. Great. What do you say? It was easy though. If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. If you are interested in other videos on how to learn how to work with Excel quickly and easily, then in that case don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next video.